Hi there, Ashley from Nomisma here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to manage employee annual leave for full-time members of staff as well as temporary members of staff through Nomisma. So to set this up, you have to go into the Edit Company section and General Terms, Common Contractual Terms, and then here you can enter the leave year start, the number of days that they get for annual leave in the year, and this is really useful for all members of staff, really. And then holiday pay rate is useful for temporary members of staff. So the most common, the rate is 12.07% of all hours that they work. And what Nomisma will do is then calculate their annual leave balance based on the number of hours they've worked. So if they've worked 20 hours, then Nomisma would put 12.07% aside for annual leave. And then we've got maximum carryover. So this is how much they can carry over to the next year and the cutoff date for that carryover amount. So if it gets to this date, then they'll lose those 5 that have been carried forward to the next year. And then we've got the weekly working hours and a few other details as well, which aren't in relation to annual leave calculations. But if I save that and then go back to the payroll dashboard and edit my employee now and go to general terms, and then within employment terms, you can see the standard terms that I've set up have been pulled through, but I can reset that with the company standard. It's just reset it. And I can see the employee's entitlement here is 28. They haven't taken any yet, but if I save that, and now for this employee, I can actually go back to payroll dashboard, select this employee, and then add leave. Now, on this add leave, ignore that error message. It's just qualifying pay periods does not exist. Please enter average weekly earnings manually. It's where I haven't actually run any payroll yet, so there's no information for this payroll. But if I select holiday, and then I can enter the period when this individual will be on annual leave. So if we put the 5th of April to the 9th of April, I can mark it as a half day if needs be. So if it is just one day, but it's actually a half day, you can select that. And then let's save. Now, when I go into the employee's profile now, you'll see that the number of days has been populated and they've got a balance left of 23. And you will also be able to see the leave request within the leave management section. You can add new leave here, you can edit it, you can delete it, you can do whatever you need to do. So that's how to manage annual leave within Nomisma. I hope you found this useful, and if you do have any questions for our support team, then feel free to get in touch on 020-3021-2326 or email us at support@nomisma.co.uk, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye.